Now look to your left, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand takeoff of the Alpha. After this majestic takeoff, the aircraft is climbing to just a mere 500 feet for its first maneuver. As the aircraft turns right at 500 feet, it will demonstrate its first maneuver. This maneuver is a roll demonstration, a series of neatly crafted rolls that displays the roll agility of the aircraft at speeds of 200 to 300 knots. Look to your right, ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is coming in for a series of neatly crafted rolls. That is 2 rolls to the right, 1 follow to the left. Now, as the aircraft pitches up to the right, it is time to witness the agility of the aircraft to carry out a max straight turn. Look at the ease at which the aircraft is able to carry out this maneuver. Performing a minimum radius turn right in front of you. Can you imagine such a fast aircraft carrying out such a short turn? After completing that minimum radius turn, the aircraft now recovers and we will now witness a thrilling aerobatic maneuver. The aircraft is now turning right to carry out the next maneuver, which is an inverted flight. Look to your right, dear audience, as you see the pilot coming in for the inverted flight maneuver. The pilot has now turned and is literally hanging in mid-air, just suspended by his safety straps. As the pilot recovers, rapidly changing directions, he is going to fly in front of us for the next maneuver. The pilot with ease will pull up and carry out a roll to the right. Look ahead, in front of you. That is the mighty Alpha coming up and will be turning to the right. Completion of that roll, the aircraft will now come in for a short circuit to land. Ladies and gentlemen, please continue looking towards your left as the Tejas Mark 1 Alpha has lowered his undercarriage and is coming in for short circuit to land. The aircraft is on short finals for landing, and even though the landing is a mere 700 to 900 meters, to conserve brakes and tires, it is a norm to carry out aerodynamic braking and use tail chutes. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Tejas Mark 1 Alpha, its pilot and the team that has developed it.